Browser plugin blocks irritating Twitter NFC users. So guys, we're live on CoinMarketCap blog Alexandria Market Musings article by Connor Sefton will be reviewing this article live on Akahilz too. Feel free to click on the red subscribe button so you get, and also turn on notifications so you get notified whenever we drop updates on crypto news as well as other beneficial uploads. Feel free to also click on the likes button beneath this video, as well as you can also drop your comments, share this video for free, and that's basically all you need to do. So guys, back to the news. It says table of content NFT users are just irritating. So many people find non-fungible tokens exciting, an asset class that unlocks access to new forms of digital art and breathes new life into the world of trading cards and collectibles. Indeed, a crucial milestone for adoption was reached last week when Twitter unveiled a new feature that allowed verified NFTs to be displayed as profile pictures. But there's no escaping the fact that a sizable number of Twitter users scratched that the public at large find the discourse around NFTs downright annoying and simply can't fathom how cartoon apes can end up being worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. So you guys want to check out CoinMarketCap podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Google Podcasts, and more. You can also play it on SoundCloud, listen to the browser. Usually very informative and crypto podcast valuable from CMC. So NFT users have been irritating. It said now a developer has created a browser extension that allows users to automatically block the profiles of those who have an NFT avatar. So explaining the rationale behind their invention, they wrote, in short, NFT users are just irritating to be around. People who bought NFTs have to keep hyping other people to buy NFTs. All the NFTs they bought will lose value. The Twitter NFT clicks are rife with sock puppet accounts, dogpiling, and indifferentiable monkey clones. So blocking NFTs users just makes Twitter nicer. So they went on to argue that NFTs have a shocking amount of impact on global warming because of how it largely relies on energy-intensive proof of work blockchain, adding, I don't want to be a community with people who support that. And with a number of artists claiming their work has been ripped off without their consent, the developer said the NFT market is rife with scams and art theft. Jack Dorsey, who has now stepped down as Twitter CEO, doesn't escape criticism either, despite the fact that he is no longer responsible for the day-to-day running of the social network. Twitter has a feature currently in closed beta where you can showcase an NFT in your profile. Probably they are doing this just because Jack Dorsey is invested in cryptocurrency, and if Twitter makes NFTs more popular, Jack Dorsey will make money. So further upgrades to the NFT blocker are planned in the future that will scan a user's notification and automatically target the accounts of those who have one of these avatars. It's unclear how many people have downloaded this plugin and indeed how much traction it will end up getting. Okay, guys, that's all we have on this news review. If you buy keys, feel free to subscribe. Click on the red subscribe button beneath this video. We'll be bringing you more news updates and happenings around the crypto space. Stay tuned for more. I'll be dropping a link in the description box so you can get access to it. Peace out, guys. One love and stay tuned.